Hello, in front of me I've got MOTOROLA Moto G53. In this video I'll show you all unlock methods. In the beginning, let's go to settings, enter security, go to screen lock, and as you can see right here we've got 5 types of screen locks: non-swipe pattern, PIN and password. We are going to use each one of them to unlock the phone. Let's begin with 2 non-security screen locks, which is none, swipe. Now let's skip pattern and select PIN. Enter at least 4 digits. And now use it to unlock the phone. Now let's select password with at least 4 characters. And in the end, let's select pattern. Connect at least 4 dots. When it's done, we can go to fingerprint unlock, tap setup, and simply scan your fingerprint on the fingerprint sensor located on the power button. Tap the sensor multiple times and each time try to adjust the fingerprint position. Tap done, and now you can simply unlock your phone by tapping the power button. In the end, let's select face unlock, tap setup and simply scan your face in this area. Unfortunately, because of the lighting in this room, I can't scan my face. But basically you put your face in front of the front camera, scan it, and then use it to unlock the phone after you press the power button. And that's it. If you find this video helpful, please leave like, comment and subscribe.